Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your profile on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, and after that, if you are someone who is making um, recipes and someone who wants to show and share with other people, then this app is a really good way to do that. And if you want to be known, or to have a professional profile, then you can do that if you go to your profile, and then you can edit your profile. Here you can select a picture. After that, you can give your display name. If you have any website where you share your recipes, or if you have a blog or your Instagram account where you share your pictures, then you can do that. And about you, so here you have max 200 words, and then you can write about you, and then people here can know you, what you are doing, why are you here in this app, and what's your preferences and goals. So I think it's really helpful, and if you are someone who is really into cooking and recipes, then you definitely need to share information about you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.